Hello students, today I am going to teach you a chapter fractions. What is a fraction? A fraction is a quantity which expresses a part of the whole group or of a region. Let's see one example. If you have one pizza and you divided this pizza into 4 equal parts and one part has taken by your brother. So, what is a fraction of this pizza? 1 upon total parts are 4. How many parts are taken by your brother? 1 part. So, the fraction is 1 upon 4. Suppose your brother has taken 2 parts. So, the fraction will be 2 upon 4. So, the fraction expresses a part of the whole group. Whole group is 4 and the taken parts are 2. So, the fraction is 2 upon 4. Read as 2 by 4. Let's see types of a fraction. So, the fraction is written in the form of A upon B, where A is numerator and B is a denominator. Types of fractions. Equivalent fractions. If two or more fractions have the same value, they are called equivalent or equal fractions. It means if the fractions have same value. Here is examples. 1 upon 3 is equal to 2 upon 6. 2 upon 6 has a equal value because 2 by 1 is equal to 2 and 2 by 3 is equal to 6. So, it has a equal value 1 upon 3. Another example is 3 by 9. 3 ones are 9, 3 threes are 9. So, it has also equal value 1 upon 3. So, if the fraction has same value, it is called equivalent fractions. Next fraction is like fractions. Fractions having same denominator are called like fractions. If the fraction has same denominator, let's see examples. 4 by 13, 5 by 13, 9 by 13. You see that there is a denominator which has same value. So, it is called like fractions. Next fraction is unlike fractions. Fractions having different denominator are called unlike fractions. Example 2 by 5, 3 by 7, 4 by 11, etc. If the fractions have different denominator, the denominator will be not same. So, these fractions are called unlike fractions. Next fraction is proper fractions. A fraction whose numerator is less than its denominator is called a proper fraction. It means if the numerator is small and the denominator will great, it is called proper fractions. You see that there is examples which has numerator small and denominator greater. See that 5 is small and 13 is big. So, it is called proper fraction. Improper fractions. A fraction whose numerator is greater than or equal to its denominator is called improper fraction. It means if the numerator is big and denominator is small. So, it is called improper fraction. You see 9 is greater and 5 is smaller. 13 is big, 13 numerator and 13 denominator is same, equal. So, it is also improper fraction. So, in improper fraction there will be two conditions. Numerator and denominator will be equal and numerator will be bigger and denominator will be small. Next fraction is mixed fractions. A combination of an integer and a proper fraction is called mixed fraction. If the fraction has one integer and proper fraction, so it is called mixed fraction. You see, 4 is integer and 1 by 5 is improper fraction because 1 is smaller and 5 is greater. Its numerator is small and denominator is big. So it is improper fraction. And 4 is integer. In this example, 6 is integer and 1 by 8 is improper fraction. 5 is integer and 1 by 9 is improper fraction. So it is called mixed fraction. Let's see how to convert mixed fractions into improper fractions and improper fractions into mixed fraction. This is mixed fraction, and how to convert it into improper fraction, let's see. Multiply integer to its denominator. 4 multiplied 5 and add its numerator 1 upon, write the denominator 5. So 4 5s are 20 plus 1 21. 21 upon 5 is improper fraction because its numerator is bigger and denominator is smaller. Let's see another example. 8 4s are 32 plus 7 upon 8. 32 plus 7 39. 39 by 8 is improper fraction. Let's see how to convert improper fraction into mixed fraction. This is improper fraction. Divide. Write 17 numerator as a dividend form and 4 as a divisor form. Read the table 4 in the number 17. 4 4s are 16. Write divisor as a denominator form and quotient as a integer part and write remainder as a numerator form. So it has converted into mixed fraction. You can verify it. 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 1 17. 17 by 4. So your converted method is right. I hope you have learned what is fraction and the types of fractions and how to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction and improper fraction into mixed fraction. Thank you.